coming from Mumbai in Maharashtra, a Navy craft has crashed into a ferry off Mumbai's coast. In the incident, 13 people have lost their life and 100 plus have been rescued from the incident site. Now, as per the Chief Minister, the dead include 10 civilians and 3 Navy personnel. And as per the Navy officials, the incident took place around 4 p.m. yesterday, and 4 naval helicopters, 11 naval craft, 1 Coast Guard boat and 3 Marine Police boats were involved in the rescue efforts. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister has announced the compensation of ₹2 lakh from the Prime Minister Relief Fund for the next kin of each deceased in this boat mishap in Mumbai. The injured would also be getting ₹50,000.
मुंबई के पास समुद्र में जो बुचर आइलैंड है, वहां पर आज 3:55 पर नीलकमल नाम की एक जो प्रवासी वेसल थी, उसको नौदल की एक बोट टकराने से एक बहुत बड़ा अपघात हुआ है, एक्सीडेंट हुआ है। शाम 7:30 बजे तक की ये जानकारी है। इन 13 लोगों में 10 सिविलियंस है और 3 नेवी के लोग हैं जिनकी मृत्यु हुई है। 2 व्यक्ति गंभीर रूप से घायल है, जिनको नेवी के अस्पताल में ही भर्ती किया गया है। नेवी, कोस्ट गार्ड और पुलिस, इन्होंने 11 क्राफ्ट और 4 हेलीकॉप्टर्स के माध्यम से बचाव कार्य करके तेजी से लोगों को बचाने का प्रयास किया है। अभी भी अंतिम इसका समाचार नहीं मिल पाया है, जो कल सुबह तक पता चलेगा कि अगर कोई और मिसिंग है तो उसके बारे में जानकारी ये कल सुबह तक मिल पाएगी। अभी तक की जानकारी हमने आपको दी है। जिन लोगों की मृत्यु हुई है उनको सीएम रिलीफ फंड से 5 लाख रुपए दिए जाएंगे। और ये जो पूरी घटना है, इस घटना की तफ्तीश ये पुलिस भी करेगी और नेवी भी करेगी।
As many as 110 people were reported to be on the ferry which left from Gateway of India and was en route towards the Elephanta Caves and had collided the speedboat at around 3:55 p.m. where almost 2 people have lost their lives unfortunately in this incident. Many people were rescued after this. Out of the 110, about 104 people are now in stable condition as per the information given by the BMC and other officials. Well, the JNPT Hospital, Ashwini Hospital at Bhausa Dhaka, St. George's Hospital and hospital at Karanze, where the rescued people are now admitted. Well, what we know is a speedy boat collided one such ferry going towards the Elephanta Caves, which is a famous tourist spot from Mumbai. Within an hour, the boat goes to the Elephanta Caves from this particular place, Gateway of India. One such boat at what we are standing is reported to be drowned in this incident, and Indian Navy, Mumbai Police, Maharashtra Police, Marine Police were together helping in this rescue operation. And the latest we know is that 5 people are still missing and the search operation is still going on.
And now politics has started over this tragedy as the Maharashtra Congress leader Nana Patole has asked if the Navy boat driver was drunk. Take a look at what he said.
मुख्यमंत्री जी ने कहा कि हम पूरी डिटेल लेके उसकी मालूमात देंगे, लेकिन जिस तरह से नेवी की बोट है या सुरक्षा दल की बोट है वो अब सामने आएगा। एक प्रवासी बोट को जिस तरह से डैश करके आप कह रहे हैं कि 13 लोग वहां पे मर चुके हैं और उसका कोई हिसाब नहीं है कितने लोग थे, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये महाराष्ट्र के पर्यटन के लिए सबसे बड़ा खतरा होने वाला है। और ये सुरक्षा दल के ही लोग, समझो इस तरह से क्या दारू पिए थे, क्या हुआ था, वो सब बातें अब सामने आएंगी।
Well, crossing over to my colleague Shweta, who joins us live on the broadcast with more details. Shweta, now this tragic incident took place in Mumbai. FIR has been registered in this case. Take us through the investigation and if police is also looking into the negligence angle.
Well, that's right, Akansha. In fact, this unfortunate incident unfolded in Mumbai where 13 people have lost their life. As far as investigation angle is concerned, yes, the Colaba police station has registered an offence under the various sections of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which deals with the section 106, which talks about the Negligence Act. And here we see various other sections of BNS has also been invoked under the said complaint that has been done by one of the survivor who is a resident of Sakinaka in Mumbai. In fact, I'm here present at Gateway of India, and my video journalist Hemant is showing you the visuals where what has actually changed, Akansha, just after few hours. Now we see such ferries. In fact, near about 285 licensed ferries are registered by Maharashtra Maritime Board, and there are 31 different routes where these ferries go. And here we'll just give you a quick view what has actually changed. These passengers are going in line and they are now being instructed. In fact, remember, now been instructed to wear the safety jackets. That's the life jackets. Just a short while back, we also interacted with a passenger who has been traveling from such ferries since last 40 years, and he made shocking revelations stating that since 40 years, there were no such rules of wearing the life jackets. There were no instructions even given. We'll quickly have a word with some of the passengers out here, but one you can see here, these are the tickets where the price has been mentioned depending on the placement, on the arrangements where the passengers are sitting. In fact, we'll also speak to some of the passengers here. We'll quickly go down. In fact, we'll have a word with them, Akansha. But as far as the rescue part is concerned, what we understand from the Indian Navy is that now also the search and rescue operation is underway. Now also the teams are searching. It is feared that near about 2 to 3 people are still missing, and out of 13, 10 are civilians. And we see that the visuals, in fact, Akansha, this is what we were talking about. Now the people have started wearing it. We'll just quickly get into it and we'll ask to some of the people. Madam, पहले ये पहनने को दिया जाता था क्या आपको? नहीं, पहले नहीं बोला जाता था. This is the sad reality. We'll also check with some of the people over here. We'll just quickly have a word with them. पहले आपको दिया जाता था सेफ्टी जैकेट पहनने को?
नहीं,
पहले नहीं दिया जाता था. सेफ्टी जैकेट पहनने को दिया जाता था पहले?
नहीं.
कितने वर्षों से ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं आप ऐसे फेरी में?
मैं तो इधर हूँ कम से कम 35 साल हो गया.
35 साल हो गए. 35 साल में आप कितनी बार आपने लाइफ जैकेट पहली बार पहन रहे हैं?
पहली बार.
This is the sad reality what we are showing to our viewers, that what has actually changed. If this particular safety enforcement was done before, 13 lives could have been saved. Precisely 10 civilians' life could have been saved. Now, what we also understand here is that because the rescue is still underway, and now what we also understand is that how strictly now these life jackets, in fact, see, this is the reality. In fact,
Absolutely,
even
this
I
tragedy
myself
could have been averted, Shweta, if the life jackets were given to these passengers. In fact, we have a breaking news.